confused between major and honors? If you are a student who is aspiring for English honors in West Bengal in general, I can tell you one thing, that under NEP, that is the latest curriculum structure, the word honors is no more relevant so far as the first year admission is concerned. When you are taking admission in any subject as your honors subject, now you will be called a major in that subject. So you will have to study major, not honors, in the first 3 years. The syllabus is no different. It is still the syllabus of honors students, alright? But you will study it as your major subject. Now at the end of the 3rd year, what happens? You get the option to exit. You also get options to exit after the first year is over. You just get a certificate. After your 2nd year, if you wish to leave studies and do some job, then you get a diploma. After the end of the 3rd year, that is after the end of 6 semesters, you will get a degree which says that you have majored in English. Alright, so BA English major degree will be given to you. And you will have your minor subjects also. That is okay. Now, who will get the honors? In the 4th year, all the students who qualify for their major exams will be given the option of continuing their study into the 4th year. Then it will be called an honors course. So if you have qualified with major in English, you will be able to continue in the same college in the 4th year with honors. Now, if you have managed to get 75% in each of the semesters, like starting from semester 1 to semester 6, if you have obtained 75% in all your semesters separately, not taken together, not average, individually, then and only then you will be offered a special kind of honors which is called honors with research. So when you are in the 4th year, that is after you complete your major, then in the 7th semester, you will be either a student of honors or a student of honors with research. What is the advantage of honors with research? There also you complete your course in 4 years. But the difference is you get prioritized or you get chosen first when it comes to PhD admissions. And this research degree which you are getting, it will also have benefit when you are going to do your MA. Okay. At this moment, what your concern is, you should get yourself into a decent college with English as your major or whatever subject you are trying to get into, and try to get 75% in each and every semester. Okay. So good luck with that.